everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Have an exciting day. No, we don't. But Anson is coming over to fix the pulley problem that we've had. He originally put one in and it started making this nasty loud song. It was just horrible. It was just absolutely horrible. So he's on his way over. I picked up another one. We're going to throw it in. Hopefully that works because I'm tired of hearing it. I did one other thing I want to show you. I don't know if you're going to like it, but we were driving the truck around, and while we're driving, the dogs are going to bark now because Anson's here. So we're driving the truck around, and I didn't have a grill. So I took the grill that I painted that I'm going to repaint, and I put it on. Check it out. So that's what it looks like.
Oh shit.
That's Anson. Say hi, Anson. Maybe you'll fix my truck this time instead of break it.
Something like that. 37?
You got your truck fixed.
Yep.
It's running.
It runs.
What about your other truck?
It runs too. Runs like a champ. You like my bed? I just picked it up yesterday.
Oh, yeah, it's a nice bed. You didn't have a bed. I like the strap tie down
You like that?
method.
That's because we had to torch all the bolts off. So,
Why does his look bigger than mine?
we torched all the bolts off.
Is your bed longer than mine?
Yeah.
10 foot?
8.
So what I have a 6?
Yeah. Yours like 6.5. 8. Or 6.
I like his bed. All right, Anson, so you think this is going to work?
If you genuinely think that's the problem, yeah.
Yeah, I do.
I trust you. Should I trust you?
I don't know. We're about to find out. Can you tell us which one you think it is? Can you point at it?
I haven't heard it run.
Oh, do you want to hear it run?
Sure.
What are you going to show me that's cool?
Oh, you want to see it?
Yeah, show me what's cool. Is it my platinum tailgate?
I was thinking about stealing it while you're not looking. Check that out. Look at this one. This one's my favorite.
So you got a CNC machine. That's what you've been making.
Oh yeah.
Got a CNC. Let's make plates.
This is going right here. With lights behind it.
Gotcha.
That way when I go out, women know my priorities. Straight to the beginning.
Got you.
They have to be Cuban, they have to be a milk.
Gonna find you a good white girl. Hold that there. It's a recording so you can hear it. It's gonna sound regular first, and then it's gonna start.
Okay. I'm listening.
By far the cheapest son of a bitch I've ever met in my life. 1000%.
Bull. What have I done that's cheap?
Shut up and work.
What have I done that's cheap? I'm ready for this story. You know,
It's definitely not the women you date.
you know. I spend all my money on bitches.
Okay. Tell us what you're doing.
Well, I'm trying to get the tool under the tensioner so I can take the bolt off.
Okay. Well, for the 7 people that watch my videos, they want to know. So he got the part out. He doesn't think it's the part. I'm hoping it is this part. It's what?
Sketchy.
It's this thing right here. Okay? It shakes the tensioner. But when you put it under pressure, it stops.
Are any of your viewers hot?
Are any of my viewers hot? All the guys are.
Tell them I'm single.
I watch my own videos, so I know one is. I'm joking. So we're really hoping this is it. Because I'm tired of buying. These parts are expensive. But, yeah. Alright, did you get the bolt in?
I'm putting it in now.
Thanks to Rod for hooking us up with some tools.
Thanks, Rod. Does Rod watch your videos?
No.
How come you never send me your videos?
Why don't you subscribe to my channel and get
Why don't you subscribe to my f***ing TikTok? Oh, yeah.
I'm on TikTok.
You don't follow me, though.
I didn't even know you were on it.
I sent you my TikTok video.
No, you didn't.
And you said
you sent me a video.
It has my TikTok on
But
it.
you didn't send me your actual TikTok.
It's on the video.
Like my daughter. My daughter sends me a recorded video of her video, but won't send me her TikTok because she's probably doing some shady ass stuff on there. So if anybody asks if I worked on my truck today, here you go, bro. Crocs.
Oops. I think I f***ed something up.
All right, we seem to have a little problem. What's going on here?
I don't know yet. Pass me that. The crowbar.
Crowbar? There you go. Want me to take that? 15. Look at me working hard today. All right, so Anson broke something. We just got to figure it out.
Do I look good from that angle, or do I look sweaty?
Your nipples hanging out right there.
Do you like my nipples?
No, not really. So, did we fix the problem?
Yeah.
What was it?
Somebody put the tension on.
Oh. Who'd that be?
Vinny. He was trying to work on his truck himself.
I hate you. Alright, that belt's on. Anson's gonna see if he can get that belt on.
Why are you so sexy?
Because God don't make no mistakes. Let's start with me. Yeah.
Two f***ing rednecks. Fixing a shit wall.
Bro, your neck look broken.
It feels like it.
It's broken right now.
I'm trying to see what I'm doing.
How's that working out for you?
Terribly. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold the belt straight. It's still good, right?
Yeah, belt's still good. Moment of truth.
Is your belt still on?
Belt's still on.
Just gotta get this pin out.
Get the pin out.
Get my fingies in there. We'll get the pin out. Okay.
Don't know what I'm looking at. Okay. There's the pin. That pin? Was that the pin you were looking for?
Yeah.
What's that pin do?
Hold the tensioner.
So it's released now?
Yeah, kind of.
Cool. Moment of truth.
Hopefully it doesn't blow up.
Hopefully it doesn't blow up.
Worst case, you just fix it, right?
Worst case, you just fix it. Right. So that didn't fix the problem. We have no idea what the issue is. So now we're going to plan to take, let me get some light, there we go. Now we're going to take the entire front end apart and check everything. We're gonna do AC compressor, the belts, just a little disheartening. Really thought that was the issue, and the truck runs phenomenal. I mean, it runs like a tank. It's fast, it's loud. Loud word, shouldn't be loud. But it's a hell of a truck. Bella loves it. I love it. I love working on it with her. Hope you guys are enjoying some of the content. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. That helps with maybe get me 10 views instead of 8. Appreciate you. Love you. Have a great day. I'm out.